When it comes to branding, let's face it, consistency is key. Picture this. You've got a small business or a cool startup. You're ready to make some noise and get noticed. But then you discover the sad truth. So is everyone else. The online world is like a crowded marketplace, and it's super hard to stand out. Plus, like most people, you're on a tight budget, which makes it even tougher to grab that spotlight. Without a way to show what makes you different and special, it's easy to get lost in the crowd. This is where branding shines. Whether you're looking to get your online look to pop and grab people's attention, or you don't have the skill to whip up eye-catching graphics on the fly and can't afford to pay a professional designer, the tool we'll be discussing today has you covered. Get ready to speak your brand's language, make its vibe shine through, and ultimately stand out from your competitors online. Are you ready to go from stuck to stunning just by branding appropriately? Then, stay with us till the end. Endeavor to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Now, the AI tool we'll be exploring today is none other than the Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Before we dive into the main tutorial, let's define the scope of our tutorial. When it comes to branding, a lot of things come into play. It could be a brand image, logo, colors, the name of the brand, and a host of other things. In this video, we'll be creating a short marketing campaign for Lily's Stores. The Lily's Stores brand colors are white, green, and gold. We'll be sure to combine these colors in our prompt to achieve the brand's identity. That's it. Let's get started. Head to Bing.com. Tap on Images. Tap the Create button. Join and create. You can sign in with any email account of your choice. I'm already signed in. When it comes to Bing's Image Creator, the most important thing is how the prompt is crafted. While you don't need any graphics design skills to create top-notch images in Bing, you need to be as detailed as you can and leave nothing to chance. Your only limit here is your imagination. I already have a detailed prompt which I put down, so we'll just paste it into the text box and play around with it a little. I'll leave the prompt in the description, check it out. Click Create once you're okay with what you have. I'm really curious to see what it'll generate. Tell us in the comments section what you feel about these designs. For me, I think they're just so good. Think of it. If you want to achieve even one of these designs naturally, you'll need to design the fabric and give it to a tailor to sew. Then find a model. Also, pay a graphic designer to design the frame. You'll also need an experienced photographer to get this quality of picture. You can do the mathematics and see what it costs. However, with Bing Image Creator, you get it all for free. Let's tweak the prompt a little and see what else we get out of this amazing text-to-image generator. Note that you can see all your previous generations using the Recent tab. Beautiful images we've got here. I think I've gotten the perfect image for Lily's store marketing campaign. Let's customize it using Microsoft Designer. You can change the filters if you want. I'll leave it at what we had initially. Let's try the Auto Adjust feature. Great. We'll keep that. Now, to the killer feature that makes this tool stand out, ideas. Bing's AI has already come up with some amazing designs that we can explore. Let's take a sneak peek at some of them. Aha! Time to add text for our campaign. Select a font that suits your style and resonates with your brand. Once the image video is to your taste, click the download button to save it on your machine. You can explore more ideas as they're all so beautiful. Imagine using this formula to come up with short marketing clips for the different products and services you render. No hidden charges, sleek designs, almost in no time. Every day you're entitled to 15 boosts on the platform. After exhausting the boosts, you can still generate images, though it will take longer. Also, endeavor to save any image you generate using Bing Image Creator, as it'll automatically erase after 90 days. Get ready to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Whether you're pushing a passion project or growing your side hustle, Bing Image Creator could be your ticket to stepping up your online game. The possibilities are endless. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Endeavor to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to know once we upload new exciting content. See you in the next one.